In lesson number 1, I mentioned that it's worth noting that not all prospects eventually buy. While this is still true, putting steps forward to plug the leaks in your pipeline will help you increase your closing rate. Plug the leaks in your pipeline. Every salesperson has the potential to increase their conversion rates, regardless of how well they're doing now. Even if you're already a good salesperson and hitting your targets, you can still find ways to improve your conversions. This is more about working smarter, not harder. Carefully implement these 4 keys. Work with the right people. There are many kinds of people you'll talk to during a sale, from decision makers to influencers, but there's some you shouldn't be talking to at all. You'll recognize them by their inability to explain actual issues to you and to say yes to business proposals. Don't settle with the latter. Spend most of your time with people that you can move forward with. 2. Go before you're invited. Schedule to see your prospects over time. Don't wait until they reach out with their questions. Even if a purchase is out of question at the moment, go and discuss business issues that are on their minds right now. It's much easier and far more effective to spend your time helping customers form an opinion rather than trying to change one or go through a business's elaborate process. 3. Drop the wrong prospect as soon as possible. Increasing your conversion is more about searching for opportunities. Create a good, ideal customer or buyer profile and stick with it. If the prospect doesn't fit the profile, move on quickly. 4. Learn to drive conversations to next steps. Getting through the decision makers, setting up initial meetings, discovering critical needs, presenting convincing solutions, and negotiating business terms, all those skills are important to practice over and over to increase your chance of taking a prospect to the next stage with you. The better you get at this, the better your conversion. Next, I'll talk about increasing the velocity of your sales pipeline, the last of the series about the 4 levers of pipeline flow.